The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video: Abacus Multiplication, Addition and Subtraction. Key difference. Example 1. The child should understand the key difference between the abacus addition, subtraction and multiplication of proper fractions. Proper fraction is one where the numerator is less than the denominator. Let us take the fractions 2 by 3 and 2 by 5. When two such fractions are added, it is quite possible that the result is also a proper fraction or a mixed fraction, which involves a whole number and also a proper fraction. In the case of subtraction, it will definitely be a proper fraction, and the same is the case in multiplication too. As the value of a proper fraction is less than 1, multiplication of two proper fractions will definitely have a value which is less than 1 only. This key difference must be familiar to the child to detect any errors in the result. Let us add the two fractions 2 by 3 and 2 by 5. For 3 and 5, 15 is the common denominator. Now set the common denominator 15 in the extreme right of the abacus. Take the fraction part of the first number. It is 2 by 3. Set this in the extreme left of the abacus. Now, by keeping your left hand on the 3 and right hand on the common denominator 15, ask how many 3's in 15. By saying 5, clear the 3 and set to 5. With this 5, multiply 2 and set 10 in the section meant for the numerator. Now clear the numbers set in the extreme left. After clearing, set the numerator of the second fraction in the extreme left of the abacus. By placing your left hand on the 5 and right hand on the 15, ask how many 5's in 15. By saying 3, clear the 5 and set 3 in the same column. Now multiply 3 and 2. The result number 6 should be added with the value 10 already in the numerator section. The total of the numerator is 16. In the result, you should get a proper fraction in such a way that the numerator is less than the denominator. In this problem, your numerator is 16 and the denominator is 15. Therefore, reduce 15 from the 16 and add that to the whole number section. The answer is 1 by 15. Though the two fractions are proper fractions, the addition of them has given us a whole number too, whereas it will not be so in subtraction. In addition, we added the multiplied value 10 with 6. Both are numerator values. If we subtract 2 by 5 from 2 by 3, then the value becomes 10 minus 6 in the numerator, and in the denominator you have the common denominator 15. You get 4 by 15. So in the subtraction, you get only a proper fraction and you will not get a whole number. Let us take the fraction 2 by 3 and 2 by 5 and multiply them. Here we simply multiply the numerators and denominators separately, and the result we get is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. It so happened that in this problem, the subtraction and multiplication of two fractions give us the same result, 4 by 15. That should not mislead the child that all fractions have similar pattern. Let us use one more example to demonstrate that the subtracted value is different from the multiplied value.